Hello, today we will know how to create a custom Excel report in StatStream. Reports in StatStream helps you to stay informed about your key parameters. Click the New Report button on the top right corner. Enter a suitable report name for your report. Select report type as Excel and sheet name as data. This is where your data will get imported. Set the hours since the latest data to be imported. Set the daily schedule and time zone fields as per your requirement. Enter email address of the stakeholders. Reports will be sent to these emails. You can use 3 different emails. Select the required variables from the drop-down list to be imported. Click on Save button. You can also upload your own custom template file. Now let us see how to create a custom file. First, you have to click on Created Report. To upload your own custom template file, let us see how to create a custom file. Here the data sheet will have all the raw variables as per the timestamp. This timestamp is an epoch time. Now this is the template sheet. Here use this formula to convert epoch time to standard date and time format. You can have the date format as DDMMYYYY, HHMM. Apply the formula to the entire column A. The data sheet will have the epoch time values in column A. This formula will copy and convert the epoch time to standard time. You now will need to select the date and time format as per your requirement. Go to Format Cells and select the custom date and time format. Now for column B, use this formula to copy raw values from the data sheet to the final report sheet. Drag and apply the formula to all the cells for column B. Do the same for column C. Drag and apply the formula to all the cells for column C. Now save this file and then click on Choose File button to choose File. Then upload and save the file. Congratulations, report is uploaded successfully. Thank you for watching the video.